I want to explain how historic the flooding that we saw in western Colorado was. Many areas seeing their biggest two-day rainfalls in over 50 years, and even more spots than that seeing their biggest rain event in 3+ decades back over the weekend. And unfortunately, it is raining again. But first of all, let's take a look at some of the numbers, because they're bonkers. Grand Junction averages less than 9 inches of rain in a year. That includes snow equivalent. So if you join me from Grand Junction, you see 2.25 inches of rain. You see, if you lived in Grand Junction for your whole life or anything like that, or for a long time, put in the comments and just let me know how rare it is to see 2 days basically nonstop rain like what we had back on Friday and Saturday. And we're getting more rain again today on this Monday and Tuesday as well. It's really rare for Grand Junction to see 2 inches of rain. Their biggest two-day rainstorm since 1941 in Grand Junction. 1941, more than 80 years ago. That's wild. Then you look at Pagosa Springs. That's the area that's been really hard hit by floods. More than 3 inches of rain there in 2 days. They picked up another 3/4 of an inch plus of rain so far today there. They picked up basically 5-6 inches of rain in the last 4 or 5 days alone. From Pagosa Springs, what they saw back on Friday, Saturday, biggest two-day rainstorm since 1955, when Eisenhower was president. Biggest two-day rainstorm since 1955 for our friends in Pagosa Springs. That, of course, was 70 years ago, 70 years ago. So wild. Durango, we've been seeing a lot of the flood issues out there in the Durango area, La Plata County, getting hit really, really hard by that flooding as well. Biggest two-day rainstorm since 1986. Now, I'm giving you all these numbers, and you're going, all right, great. I suppose not great, but that's interesting. I also want to add this, that this is a part of the state that is used to getting monsoon thunderstorms. The majority of your rainfall comes from two things. One, snow in the winter months. Number two, monsoon storms, thunderstorms between July and early mid-September. You tend to get these summertime storms that flare up and drop some rain. We're not used to this part of the state. And again, if you've lived in Durango, Pagosa Springs, Montrose, Grand Junction, put in the comments as well, right? You're not used to getting basically 2, 3, 4, 5 days in a row of nonstop rain, where it just steadily rains on again, off again for basically all day long. That's very unusual, and that is thanks to the remnants of what was Hurricane Priscilla and this persistent southwest flow. We've got high pressure to our south and east, low pressure off to our west. Neither of those are budging, so we basically think of it as kind of like a nonstop fire hose of water, and that's streaming up all this water here into this part of the state, and that's why we're setting all sorts of records in southwestern Colorado with all the rain we picked up.